Alright guys, in this video, we'll be talking about how you can register your business online using your IPA account that you have just created. Now, this is the interface once you have accessed your account and you are now in your account. So we'll head on straight to where you can select or which option you can select to start the process of registering your business. So you see at your left where it says sections, companies, associations, business groups, business names, foreign enterprise. We'll select business names. And when you select business names, there's a drop-down options also here. You'll see register business name, loads other documents. We'll select register business name. And when you select it, it will take you to this part. You see business name. You begin by writing your business name. Let's say my business name I want to register with IPA is Joe Blow Construction. Okay, this is the business name that I will register. And here it says add another proposed business name. If you have an option of adding, or if you are thinking about an optional name that you want to register, you can click this option and you write the optional name that you total, like Joe Blow. For me, it's Joe Blow Construction and Maintenance. That's the second name that I'm thinking of registering if in the case that this name is been taken by other people. And you can continue by writing other names, but I'll just go with the two. And once I have done that, I'll come here, I'll click next. And now you see business name is done. We are now going towards the addresses. We'll have to enter the address of where our business is operating from. Okay, it says principal place of business. See, there are two addresses, address line 1 and address line 2. We'll start by entering the details in the address line 1. Watch Road. My business is located here. Country Papua New Guinea. Province is National Capital District. National here. District is Port Moresby North East, and the postcode is 121. If your business is operating in more than one location, let's say one is at Bomana and the other is at Boroko, your business is operating from those two places, then you will select this option again and you enter the location of your other business that's operating from. But for my case here, I only have one, so I'll just cancel this and I'll continue to the postal address section. This is the section where you will now enter your postal address. So I'll enter my postal address. My post office location is at Vision City. Town, it's at Volcanic area. Province, it's National Capital District. District is Port Moresby Northwest. But you see, with the previous address I entered, I wrote Port Moresby or Moresby Northeast, and the second address I wrote Moresby Northwest. These are two different areas. the area that I'm operating my business from is Mosby Northeast, but the area that my postal address is at is Mosby Northwest, which is at Wagani area. 131. Once I'm done with entering my postal address and residential address of my business, I'll now proceed to entering my email. Now, this section is so important because everything and anything to do with IPA and you, IPA will send the message through this email to you, or anything you want to do with IPA, you will send your message through this email to IPA. So I will enter my email address here now. gmail.com. After you entered your email here, you can just click next tab. And now you'll be taken to this page here, which is the owner's page. This is the page where you will now enter your own details. It says owners that are natural persons. You click add and you add your full name here, full legal name, nationality, you are a Papua New Guinean, gender, male or female, and your date of birth. I'll enter my date of birth here. Okay, and then you re-enter your email again. .com. After you have re-entered your email, okay, this section here, foreign certificate number. If you are not a Papua New Guinea citizen, you must obtain a foreign investor certification to be an owner of a business. This section here is for the foreigners who are operating in PNG or who are trying to register in business in PNG. This is the section they will fill. But for you and me, we can just skip this section and go straight to uploading our ID here. So you click upload. You can drag your photo and drop it here, or you can click this section and it will take you to the place where you can upload your photo. Now make sure that every ID photo of yours that you have, you must convert it to PDF format so that when you upload it, it will be saved there. If it's in JPG or JPEG format, it will not be uploaded here. Let's say this is my ID photo that I have just converted to PDF, and I'll just upload it. It's still uploading. It will take a few moments before fully uploaded. It's taking quite longer. Let's wait. Okay, now you see it's being fully uploaded, and once it's uploaded, just click done, and now it's here. If you want to remove it and upload another photo, you can just remove and repeat the steps again. Anyway, now we'll come down to the residential address. You see residential address where you reside. The previous addresses that we filled is about the residential address of the business that's operating in. And this residential address here is for you, the owner, where you reside. You might be residing at Bomana, but your business is at Ohola. So every morning you get up from your house in Bomana, you drive down to Ohola, and that's where your business is, and you work there. So this area is your residential place where you reside. You as the business owner reside. But for me, I just reside in the same area that my business is. So I'll just keep it as it is. National Capital District must be noticed. Postal address, you can just write similar postal address. Post office location, that's Vision City. Town, it's Waigani. Province, National Capital District, Port Moresby Northwest, 121. After you have filled all your information, residential information, address information, after you have filled your residential address information, you just click OK. And now you are done. You can just click next step. And now you see you have already filled your owners, the details of yourself here. And now you are on the business activity section now. Here it says business activity. The following is the primary type of business to be conducted under this business name. These activities have been taken from the latest PNG standard industry classification. Please use this document to find the correct major divisions. So here it says that there are different categories that a business can only operate in. So you will just click add here, and where it says major activity, you click the drop down arrow here, and these are all the sectors that your business will likely be in one of these. So like for my case, it's the construction, building and construction. So it's here, you see, I'm operating under the construction sector. So I'll just click. You, for your case, you know whatever your business is. Maybe your business is in the transport, storage and communications, or real estate, renting, whatever your business is, it will still be under either of these categories here. So you can just select that category and then click OK. Once you click OK, it's already been saved here. And it says date of commencement of business, when you want, when is the actual date your business is gonna start. Let's say for me, I'm thinking of starting it early next year, January 5th, 2026. I'll select this date here. And once I've selected it, that's it. I click next step. I am done with the business activity section, and now I'm in the signature section. That's the last and the final area that I'm gonna fill before submitting my form to the IPA. It says, I certify that the information in this form is true and correct. I certify that all the information entered and or uploaded is true and correct. So select this checkbox to certify all the information that you have entered. Designation, you see where it says authorized person. If you are registering a business on behalf of an owner, this is where you will select authorized person. You are not the original owner of the business you are trying to register, but you are trying to register it on behalf of another person. This is where you select it. That's it. You are done. If you are the owner of the business that you are trying to register, you can just click owner. Once you are done, that's it. You just come up here and you go straight to checkout. You just click checkout, and you see the price that you will pay. It says before submitting the notice for processing, payment must be made. IPA accepts credit cards and BSP Pay. Select the payment method preferred and press Pay Now to make a payment. You will be directed to the payment screen. If you have a balance on your account and wish to use those funds for this payment, please check the appropriate box below. Okay, you see, application for registration of business name, document number. You see my business name, document number is already given here, the name of my business. If you want to pay with BSP Pay, you select this option here, BSP Pay, and you click Pay Now. If you want to pay with a credit card, which is Visa, select here and you click Pay. Once you click Pay, your application will be under review. You will receive an email from the IPA informing you that your application will be under review, and after 2 to 3 days you will receive your final message with the IPA certificate directly being emailed into your email. And that's it. That's how you can register your business name online and how you can have your IPA certificate delivered to you straight into your email. Now, if you want to watch how you can register your BSP page, so instead of using your credit card, you can just head on straight to your BSP page to pay for this service. You can watch this video here.